Hi everyone, welcome back to another episode of Tech Basics. In this video, we will be learning how to change maturity rating for a profile on Peacock TV. To change the maturity rating for a profile on Peacock TV, first of all open up your web browser and sign in to peacocktv.com. First of all, open up your web browser and sign in to peacocktv.com. After signing in to peacocktv.com's main homepage, go ahead and click on your profile avatar at the top right corner. Once you do that, select a profile under Who's Watching and click on the little pencil icon right underneath the profile avatar. Now this will open up Edit Your Profile section, from where you need to scroll down and click on the Change button right next to Maturity Rating. Now enter your account's password in the password text box and click on Confirm. This will now take you to this maturity rating page where you can rate the maturity of your profile by selecting one of these options at the bottom. If you want to only view content materials that parents find unsuitable for younger children, then you can choose the family option. Similarly, if you want to stop contents from viewing on this profile that parents would find unsuitable for children under 13 years of age, select the teen option. If you are an adult and you'd like to set your maturity ratings to adult, select the adult option, and whichever selection that you make, click on Save Rating. Soon after you do that, you will be able to change the maturity ratings for your profile on Peacock TV. So that is how it's easily done. If you found the video to be helpful, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel by hitting the subscribe button. Press the bell icon so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. I will be back again in the next video. Thank you for watching.